Nature Force exercises for a better day. Improve your everyday and health with Nature Force. Subscribe to our channel for 10 easy morning exercises for starting better, healthier days. Follow along for free, simple exercises for natural energy regeneration and enjoy the good feeling that will follow you throughout the day. Day 2. Repeat the smiling exercise from day 1. Watch the day 1 exercise again by clicking the link in the upper right corner of this video. The smiling exercise should be done first every day. After doing the smiling exercise, repeat the following words 3 times. Today, I will accomplish a lot. Right after that, write down a list of tasks that you will do that day. If you repeat this exercise daily, you will notice how better prepared you will be to tackle all that comes your way. We will introduce you to the third exercise in our next video. Good luck and have a long life!